Hi everyone! So today we're making sweet corn soup. We're going to start off with some olive oil at the bottom of the pan. We're going to add in garlic and ginger that's just been cut into small pieces. You can mince it if you don't like biting into it. I personally really like it, so we keep the chunks a little bit bigger and more visible. We're just going to let both of these, garlic and ginger sweat a little in the olive oil. Now, as you can see, it's sweat a little, and now we're just going to add some green onions. Again, chop them as finely as you like, or as coarse as you like. We now add mixed veggies. They're really just frozen veggies, so we're going for convenience tonight. Just a quick soup. For a weekday dinner. You don't need to, peel and chop every single vegetable. Use your frozen veggies. Just to recap though, in terms of what we had in our frozen veggies, we had green beans, some corn of course, we're making sweet corn soup, so you gotta have corn, carrots, and peas. So as we've seen, the veggies are ready for us. These were frozen, so it doesn't take that long to cook them up. If you are doing absolutely fresh raw vegetables, it will take you, a few more minutes as well. They need to start becoming tender. They don't need to be fully cooked at this point, given we are going to be boiling them in the rest of the cooking process as well. We're now going to add, basically this is just a sweet fresh corn that we've blended and mashed up. We just used a regular blender and made it into this mush corn. Alright, so now it's time to add some salt. And we're going to add in some black pepper as well. Just stir it in. And we're going to follow it up with some water. We're now just going to let the soup cook thoroughly, and we're going to bring it to a boil. It probably will take about 15 minutes or so. It all depends on the quantity you're making as well. So now we're ready to serve it. A few things I do want to show you, so stick around. We're going to pour it in a bowl first. Alright, so now we're ready to do the finishing touches. We're going to start with the vinegar. This is just pure white vinegar. Again, just a little bit really, as it is to taste. We're going to put a couple drops of soy sauce as well. And we're going to add, and now this is truly, personal, any hot sauce as people wish.